Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Little REDnote, also known as Xiao Hongshu. First, open the Xiao Hongshu app on your phone. Once you are logged in, you will see the home page with posts from different users. At the bottom of the screen, you will find 5 main tabs. The first tab is the Home tab, where you can browse trending posts. You can scroll through short-form videos. If you like a post, tap the heart icon to like it or tap the comment icon to leave a reply. The second tab is the Shop tab. Here, you can browse and purchase products recommended by users. You can search for specific items, check product reviews, and see trending deals. If you want to buy something, tap on the product, check the details, and follow the purchase instructions. The third tab is the Create tab. Tap the plus icon to create a new post. You can upload photos or videos from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. After selecting your media, you can add filters, stickers, and text. Then, write a caption, add hashtags, and choose a category. When you're ready, tap Publish to share your post. The fourth tab is the Messages tab. Here you can check your notifications, read comments, and see who followed you. You can also send direct messages to other users. The last tab is the Profile tab. This is where you can view your posts, edit your bio, and manage your account settings. You can also see the number of followers and likes on your posts. To follow someone, go to their profile and tap the Follow button. Their posts will now appear on your home feed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.